In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a segment in Klaviyo. Segments are dynamic groups of people that update automatically based on behavior and attributes, which makes them perfect for targeting the right audience without constant manual work. Let's walk through the full process clearly and simply. First, log into your Klaviyo account. On the left-hand sidebar, click Audience, and then choose Lists and Segments. This is your home base for organizing contacts. If you manage multiple accounts, just double-check you're in the correct one before proceeding. Next, look to the top right and click the Create button. Then select Segment. Make sure you choose Segment, not List, since lists are static while segments change over time as people meet or stop meeting your conditions. Now, give your segment a clear, descriptive name. Good examples are engaged subscribers, recent buyers, or abandoned cart users. Pick something that will make sense to future you and to teammates at a glance. Consistent naming helps when you're building campaigns and flows later. This is the key part. Define your conditions. You'll use filters to decide who belongs in the segment. For engaged users, choose what someone has done. Then, opened email at least once in the last 30 days. For buyers, select what someone has done. Then, placed order at least once. For inactive users, use what someone has done. Opened email 0 times in the last 60 days. You can combine multiple conditions with AND to require all conditions to be true, or with OR to include people who meet any one of the conditions. For example, engaged and clicked gives you highly active subscribers, while engaged or placed order broadens the audience. Be mindful of time windows, since they control how fresh the behavior needs to be. Before you finalize, click Preview Details. This shows how many profiles match your rules. If the number seems too small or too large, adjust the filters or time frames until the audience looks right. It's easier to fine-tune now than after creating the segment. When you're satisfied, click Create Segment in the top right. Your segment will build and then update automatically as people's behavior changes. That means someone who opens an email tomorrow can join your engaged segment without you lifting a finger. You're all set. You've named the segment, defined smart conditions, previewed the match, and created it. Use this segment in campaigns or flows to send more relevant messages and improve performance. Thanks for watching.